Is your RAV4 key fob not working? The most common fix is a battery replacement. RAV4 key fobs typically use a CR2032 coin cell battery. This video will guide you through the process, saving you time and money compared to dealership service. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a new CR2032 battery. Let's get started. First, carefully pry open the key fob case using the flathead screwdriver or plastic tool. Insert the tool into the seam and gently twist to separate the two halves. Avoid using excessive force. Next, remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the orientation with the positive side up. Insert the new battery in the same orientation with the positive side up. Finally, snap the key fob case back together, ensuring it's fully closed. Test the fob to confirm it's working. Dispose of the old battery responsibly at a recycling center. If the fob still doesn't work, there may be a deeper issue requiring professional service.